Please be advised, the following presentation is not intended for minors.
Hello and welcome to Jack6 Mind Goblins, where I make purposely terrible content to appease my mind goblins. Today I'm going to be continuing where I left off with Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Rita's Rewind. Actually got the name right this time around. Don't know why I kept calling it Rita's Revenge last time around. So, in the little in-between of both sessions, I looked up how many levels this game has. We're nearly at the end. We're 2/3 of the way through. There's 15 levels, so I thought, fuck it, might as well finish this off, right? Alright, so I picked Trini this time around, so we're playing as the Yellow Ranger. Is this an earthquake? Or is someone attacking the juice bar? It's gotta be Rita's latest menace. We have to get people to safety. Attention everyone, bipedally ambulate to the nearest convenient egress. Get it? He's a fucking nerd. That means run. Let's go, team. It's Morphin time. Yeah, there we go.
I could use a hand.
Okay, I don't know why, but I feel like she's slower. She might be a little bit slower than everyone else, but that also might just be because it's been a couple of days since the last recording session. It's like I really just wanted to finish this before I started off the Switchaboo review for it. Because there's nothing more annoying than, like, getting only partway through a game and then, you know, having to write it even though you haven't finished the game, because that sometimes happens. But yeah, like, there's nothing more annoying than doing that and, like, getting something objectively wrong because you didn't get to play the game long enough. You know, actually looking back, I probably should have picked the Pink Ranger. Because so far, like, every Ranger plays exactly the same, but, like, since she's the only one with a ranged weapon, well, inherently ranged weapon, because, like, you know, the Black Ranger had an axe that also turned into a gun, you know. But, like, since she uses a bow, I wanted to see if she can actually shoot it like a bow, or if she's just gonna smack dudes with it like a physical weapon. Oh well, that'll be next time I can pick characters. Alright, get out of the way so I can... Oh, fuck off. Let me break the thing. Oh, I'm stuck on top of it. Do you mind? I got this thing to break. Oh hey, it gives me my special back. Cool. Get out of the way. I need it. Damn it. Alright. It's like I'm trying to break this thing, but also not get hit by the big dude. There we go. Dude ate 3 of those and didn't die. There we go. Jesus Christ.
I could use a hand.
And bitch, get down. Thank you. Hello, I'm holding up, so I should be going up like that. Thank you. I should be doing my anti-air.
I could use a hand.
Ooh, give me the coins. Oh, I just noticed this is over here. Walkie-talkies.
I could use a hand.
Die, bird. Piece of shit. There we go. More coin. Dash place, thank you. Alright, the clown ones are back. Is it a they actually play differently? Because I don't remember. I thought they were just like specific palette swaps for a level.
More phenomenal.
God, she says more phenomenal as well. I forgot. Kinda, pretty much everyone fucking said more phenomenal. Like, as much as I love the original Power Rangers, holy shit, was it cheesy.
I could use a hand.
I could use some health items, that'd be great. Man, I really would have loved to test this out, like, for the review with, like, an actual group of people, instead of only getting to play it solo. It's like, it really does feel kind of lonely playing a beat-em-up like this, as, you know, just by yourself. You got stuck in the subway. There's too much of them. Fuck it. I probably should have waited. God damn it. Ow.
Whoa, what happened?
Do you mind? Die, fat bitch. Thank you. Oh, yeah, now... Oh, I love these. But yeah, now you know this is a side-scrolling beat-em-up. We got a fucking train level. These putties have gone punk. They're destroying the subway. Punk look is so over. You'd never catch me wearing clothes like that. And I can't imagine ever being that disrespectful. Yeah, well, clearly you kids were never in the... like, living in the 70s. And it really was, like, kind of cartoonish how, like, good the Power Rangers were in the original series. It's like, they were, like, environmentalists, they were fucking doing a whole bunch of different shit. They were always doing, like, some kind of fucking fundraiser at their school for something. They were, like, the ultimate goody two-shoes. Don't fall off. I know I don't have a lot of health. Ow.
I could use a hand.
Oh, you son of a bitch.
Ready for action.
Oh, and I lost all of my bloody supercharge as well. Well, see ya, idiot.
Let's do this, team.
Well, there's my first life. Rip. Hello? Ah, okay. It's stopping at the station, letting some come on. I just like the image of a bunch of putties just waiting for the train.
I could use a hand.
Ow.
I could use a hand.
God damn it. I was hoping I'd be able to hit him before he threw that, but no. Punk potion. Alright. Clearly, I don't remember, like, all the punk shit that was going on in the original series. Dude, you fucking... I'm trying to do my goddamn launcher to get away from you fucks. Oh my god. Just would not let me. Red Sun. Wow, movie. Is it a Red Sun over Paradise? Alright, at least there isn't a fat fuck getting in the way. Come on. Hey, there we go. Oh, Jesus Christ. Look, I know we're saving the world, but can I report a fashion emergency? What are you talking about? That outfit's a classic. Yeah, it's a classic. Looking like fucking Hugo from Street Fighter 3.
Whoa, what happened?
Hello? I'm getting wombo comboed? Keep doing the launcher to escape their swipes. Ow.
I could use a hand.
Oh my god, die. Okay, there's one. Shit.
Whoa.
No, die. Enough of your shenanigans. There we go. Man, I'm always so close to the S rank time. Every time. Oh, we still going? Alright. Yes, get the fuck off the train. Angel Grove Park. Okay, first, let's, swap to Kimberly. Let's see if she actually has any ranged moves.
Good luck, Rangers.
Jumping in.
Yeah, doesn't look like it. Shit. Oh, the Angel Grove Tigers. Boy, I wonder what that's a reference to. Since when do putties play football? Who knows? Let's show them how to take a hike. Me and my goddamn dyslexia. Oh, that's a cute little detail. Because Kimberly was like a cheerleader. So like her slam has her like doing like the end flourish. That's cute. Like, it is kind of a shame. Like, yeah, characters have their own, like, unique animations and stuff, but they all play the same. Massive shame. Also, what I can clearly see that something is onto the right. It's like a collectible or like a health pickup or something. Anna, is this dude cheering? It was his fist. Fucking, come on.
Someone help me out here.
God, I gotta say, after that last level, I am sick of these huge buddies. You know what? Fuck it. I guess that's the closest we're gonna get to a ranged attack. But yeah, it really does feel like, yeah, the Yellow Ranger was significantly slower than everyone else. So maybe, yeah, characters do play a little differently, but like it's mainly with like animation speeds and such. Hello, dash. Oh my god. Alright, we're good. Alright, punks are back. Die, bitch. Like, I might as well spam it. Like, this is something that, like, I always, like, tend to do. Is, like, when there's, like, some kind of special attack in a video game, I will always save it for, like, a boss fight or whatever. But usually, beat-em-ups want you to spam them as much as you can. I always forget that. I was trying to do that, but I ended up grabbing the dude.
These things are tough.
Don't fucking stab me in the bum.
These things are tough.
Dash plays, thank you. Yeah, stay away from the bombs. Ow.
Can someone help me out here?
Fucking, I don't want to die to a single enemy, please. There we go. There we go, good enough.
Get lost, creep.
At least it wasn't a single enemy. Oh, I should have went back, because that looked like there was, you know, a secret back there. I only just noticed that there was a giant crystal in the background. Probably should have checked that out. Die, bitch! Oh, well, guess I can't go back. Another one of Rita's puppets? Who are you? Your worst nightmare. Feel the interdimensional power of Madame Woe. Yeah, I guess I really can't go back. Shit. She actually transported us into an alternate dimension. Now to finish you, suffer my wrath. Alright, boss fight time. Oh shit. Can I get out or?
These things are tough.
Oh, fuck.
Here we go.
Yeah, I can't believe these things are tough. I'm trying to... Okay. I don't think mashing or, like, anything gets me out of the hair thing. Mashing gets me out of, like, being frozen, though. That's at least something. You can stop now. Can I hit you? Yeah.
We're doing it.
Bitch. Like, is there any way to dodge that other than, you know, the dodge button that I keep forgetting exists? I will say, this is a pretty cool looking boss fight, though. Bitch!
These things are tough.
Man, like, that hair grab comes out so quickly, I can barely react to it.
These things are tough.
Alright, the meteors again. Oh, fuck off.
These things are tough.
Bro, quit it. I blinked, and I literally missed the timing for the grab there.
These things are tough.
Like, usually I joke about blink and you miss it, like animations, but fuck.
Can someone help me out here?
Oh my god, I'm getting so bad at that. Getting so bad at avoiding the fucking ice breath. Shit's so quick. Completely avoid Woe's waves. Oh, cool. Like, I did it last time. I don't know why that didn't trigger that the first time. Oh well.
You will not survive.
Yeah, I noticed. Hey, Shocker, I have another life, bitch.
These things are tough.
That's not the one I wanted. I want to do the dive kick, not the slam.
These things are tough.
Alright, now I did the dive kick, but I did it in the wrong direction. There we go. Defeat Madame Woe.
We did it!
Again, 30 seconds off. B. Rip. Great work, everyone. We showed her the power of teamwork. Ba-ba.
Good luck, Rangers.
Oh, we're back on the bikes. I just gotta remember how this works. Oh, we got speed boost panels. Aye, a sentient yellow cab kidnapped some high school students. Follow that cab. Stop Krabby Cabby. God, was that a villain? I don't even remember. I mean, do we have to rescue them? Let's get this mechanic off the streets. Rangers, follow that car. What do you mean, do we have to rescue them? Jesus, Trini, that's kind of That's kind of harsh, don't you think?
Hey, give me a break.
I'm guessing they must have, like, captured Vulcan's skull or something.
That's with the Power Rangers.
Hey, give me a break.
Now. Ooh, hello.
Hey, give me a break.
Max Super, let's go. Fuck you!
Lesson learned.
Jesus Christ. That being said, that looked like it did nothing to the boss.
That's gonna leave a mark.
Excuse me, out of the way. Whee! Oh, if I hit him with it, it pushes him so far ahead. That's why it's doing no damage. The super itself can't even reach.
That's gonna leave a mark. Big mistake.
Get back here, you son of a bitch.
Hey, watch it.
Get lost, creep.
Hey, watch it.
Yeah! Fuck your shit!
Big mistake.
There we go.
Lesson learned.
Get destroyed, nerd. Oh, again, so close. Oh well, at least I got no deaths. That dude in green. Oh, that dude in green is pumped. Who is he? Oh, please tell me I can play as him now. Did I unlock him, or do we have to fight him first? I feel like we gotta fight him first. I don't know, probably some new kid at school. He's really cute. Hey, can we play as you now? Hello? Nah, I can't do anything. Alright. We're gonna have to fight him.